The last of these models that I want to just briefly touch on is the developmental model. So the idea is in certain countries that we were once called third world countries that we would now call developmental countries, may need to institute press controls in order to promote industry, national identity, and partnerships with their neighbors. In the United States, we're big enough to handle a political scandal. We didn't fall into anarchy when President Nixon was found to have lied about Watergate. We continued on after a bunch of fascists stormed into the Capitol on January the 6th. People changed, the office changed hands and we kept right on going, right? In other nations, that wouldn't be guaranteed. So there's this idea in developmental countries that if there's political scandal or the nation is failing in certain ways, that the nation's mass media sort of help out, right? And help promote the country its best foot in the same way that you might see in a community media type setting. The test always is what happens once the nation sort of achieves the level that it's trying to, where it's no longer considered a developing nation. If the government pulls back on its control of media at that point, then obviously it will have achieved its goal. But that's not guaranteed either.